Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit money to Kraken from bank. For that, you need to first launch your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type kraken.com. After that, you need to provide your email address and your password and you simply need to log in into your Kraken account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, on the home page, you are going to see this a deposit button. So if you click on deposit, you will be landed on this transfer page where you are going to see this a deposit section. Now over here, you just have to select the currency that you want to deposit. So over here, you will have to tap on this drop arrow button, and after that in the search bar, you will have to search for USD. Then you will have to select the US dollars. After selecting it, you will have to enter the amount that you want to deposit. Then you will be asked to select the payment method. So over here, you can select the bank account or you can even add your debit or credit card. So as we want to deposit via bank, so you will have to select your bank from which you are going to deposit the amount. After that, you need to review the additional information section and more about the deposits to ensure your deposits are depositing correctly. After that, you need to navigate to the online bank to deposit from your account to Kraken. To prevent errors, we suggest copying our bank account details directly to your bank or financial institutions. Then you need to review the cash deposit options to check processing time for your payment. This way you will be able to easily deposit your money to Kraken from bank. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.